Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best Yamaha diagnostic tool is probably one of the most essential pieces of equipment for any Yamaha outboard owner or mechanic, offering unparalleled insight into your engine's performance and health. This advanced device allows you to connect directly to your outboard's computer system, unlocking a wealth of data that can help you diagnose issues, optimize performance, and perform routine maintenance with greater accuracy and efficiency than ever before. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a dedicated DIY enthusiast, understanding and utilizing this tool can save you time, money, and the frustration of unexpected breakdowns on the water, ensuring your Yamaha outboard runs smoothly for years to come. Number 5. Orion Motor Tech Gasoline Compression Tester Kit. This comprehensive 8-piece kit has everything you need to accurately measure cylinder pressure. It includes a pressure gauge, multiple adapters, connectors, and a flexible hose for complete engine testing. Get accurate readings with our easy-to-read 3-inch pressure gauge, displaying units in SI, kg, cm, superscript 2, and bars. Its anti-scratch acrylic glass and protective rubber ensure it stands up to tough use. This tester works with a wide range of engines, from cars and trucks to motorcycles and snowmobiles. It comes with straight and curved connectors, plus M10, M12, M14, and M18 adapters for a secure fit on most vehicles. Constructed from premium, tough materials, this kit is designed for consistent, reliable performance. It's built to withstand the demands of both professional garages and DIY projects. Everything stays neatly organized in the custom blow-molded carry case. Clear laser markings make it easy to find the right tool quickly, saving you time and hassle. What we like. This comprehensive kit has everything you need for accurate cylinder pressure readings. If you are looking for a complete package with a durable and easy-to-read gauge, this is a great choice for DIYers and professionals alike. It offers wide compatibility across various engine types, making it a versatile tool for many projects. What people say. The diagnostic tool is very easy to use and understand. It provides accurate readings and helps in quick troubleshooting. The build quality is robust and it feels durable. Number 4. Motorcycle 6-pin OBD Diagnostic Cable. Introducing our versatile 6-pin to 16-pin OBD2 adapter cable, designed for a wide array of motorcycles. It's your go-to solution for comprehensive diagnostics. This adapter supports both CAN bus and K-line protocols, ensuring accurate readings with popular diagnostic tools and code readers like the ELM 327 and M100 Pro. Designed for ease of use, simply plug it in to connect your motorcycle's 6-pin port to a standard OBD2 reader. No complex setup required, even for beginners. Crafted from high-quality, durable materials, this cable is built for longevity. It's resistant to aging and abrasion, ensuring over 5,000 uses. Save money without compromising on quality. This adapter offers a cost-effective way to perform diagnostics, making it ideal for both owners and professional mechanics. It's compatible with numerous motorcycle brands and models, including popular choices from Guzzi, Kawasaki, Suzuki, Yamaha, KTM, and Honda. Check the details for a full list. What we like. This adapter cable offers broad compatibility with many motorcycle brands and diagnostic tools. If you are a motorcycle enthusiast or a mechanic working with various brands, this is an affordable way to connect your OBD1 code reader to newer bikes. It supports essential communication protocols, making diagnostics straightforward. What people say. The diagnostic tool is very easy to use and understand. It provides accurate readings and helps pinpoint engine problems quickly. The software is user-friendly and offers a comprehensive range of diagnostic functions. Number 3. Yamaha 3-pin plus 4-pin 2-in-1 OBD2 motorcycle scanner cable. Introducing the versatile 2-in-1 scanner cable for your Yamaha motorcycle. This cable is designed to work with both 3-pin and 4-pin diagnostic ports. Get the best of both worlds with a single purchase. You receive connectors for both the 3-pin and 4-pin Yamaha diagnostic systems. This lead is professionally factory molded, ensuring a durable and reliable connection for your diagnostic needs. It is compatible with certain Yamaha motorbikes and similar models. This ensures broad applicability for many riders. This cable seamlessly integrates with various programs, apps, and standard OBD2 readers. It's the perfect companion for your existing diagnostic tools. What we like. You get 2 essential connectors in one cable, offering great value. If you own a compatible Yamaha and need a reliable way to connect to your OBD2 scanner, this professional-grade cable is an excellent option. It's designed for ease of use with standard readers and apps. What people say. The 3-pin connector gets all the data off of my Max 300. Nice to have a torque digital dashboard. Number 2. Innova SD35 OBD2 Scanner. Introducing the Innova SD35, your all-in-one solution for comprehensive vehicle diagnostics. It's designed to help you read and clear codes for your check engine light, ABS, SRS, and TPMS. Go beyond basic code reading. This advanced scanner provides real-time live data, including RPM, fuel trims, and sensor performance, giving you a deeper understanding of your vehicle's health. Navigate vehicle diagnostics with ease thanks to its high-resolution display and intuitive tablet interface. It makes complex tasks simpler and faster. Perform essential maintenance tasks like TPMS sensor checks and oil light resets effortlessly. This professional tool offers comprehensive capabilities for your vehicle's upkeep. It's compatible with a vast range of vehicles, including most cars and trucks from 1996 and newer. Please check our coverage checker to ensure compatibility with your specific model. Get verified repair solutions and step-by-step guidance through our free Repair Solutions 2 app. Access expert advice and cost estimates without any hidden subscriptions or extra fees. What we like. This advanced scanner provides comprehensive diagnostics across multiple vehicle systems. If you're looking for a tool that goes beyond basic code reading, offering live data and free, verified repair guidance, this is the one. It's ideal for those who want detailed insights and step-by-step repair assistance without subscriptions. What people say. This keeps an inventory of my vehicles and scan results as well as doing body scans. Standard OBD2 connectivity, the Bluetooth to the phone with the added app is very cool. Makes logging live data a breeze. The connection speed, abilities, and the phone app associated with this has made my life less stressful. Number 1. Suzuki Marine Outboard Diagnostic Kit with SDS 8.8 software. Introducing the Suzuki Marine Diagnostic Kit, your essential tool for maintaining your outboard engine. It's designed to keep your boat running smoothly on the water. Easily read and reset any fault codes that appear on your engine. This ensures you can quickly address any issues and get back to your adventure. Access crucial information about your EMM module with a simple scan. Understanding its identification is key to proper diagnostics and maintenance. Monitor your engine's performance in real time. You can view live data from sensors and actuators to understand exactly how it's operating. Perform tests on your sensors and actuators directly through the diagnostic tool. This allows for thorough checks and verification of their functionality. Generate clear graphics that illustrate your engine's operation. This visual representation helps you understand complex data and engine behavior. What we like. This specialized kit is designed for Suzuki Marine outboards, offering deep diagnostic capabilities. If you own a Suzuki outboard and need to read fault codes, monitor real-time sensor data, and perform maintenance functions, this tool is essential. It provides the specific functionality needed for these engines. What people say. The tool is easy to use and provides accurate diagnostic information. It has a user-friendly interface that makes it simple to navigate through different functions. The diagnostic capabilities cover a wide range of Yamaha outboard models, making it a versatile tool. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.